Hey everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is Hunter, and today we have the R-Pod 196 coming in at under $20,000. Actually, under $18,000 and 3,700 pounds dry. I think this is a camper that you're definitely going to want to check out. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice about this particular R-Pod is the exterior color. It is all white. That was their September fall change, which is a very, very welcome change for me. You have the honeycomb pattern on the side there, some nice striping, just the white, bright exterior. I think it's much cleaner. It's going to keep your camper a little bit cooler. Believe it or not, the lighter exterior does make a difference. But check out that awning there. We're going to dip just a couple minutes here or a couple seconds on the outside, then we're going to head right on to the end. But I just want to show you right here as well. You can put your exterior kitchen on there, which are in those boxes. Nice little sink, cooktop area, little grill. My favorite part of the camper here myself is that little froggy frog. But let's head on right in, have some fun, show you the interior a little bit. Probably do another spin around the outside. If you guys like RV videos, please make sure to like and subscribe for me. I would greatly appreciate it. But there's the little quick version, little 2-second version. Now let's get into some of the fun stuff. Let's start off with this refrigerator. Dometic, gas and electric. Everything that you need for an RV. You are good to go there. And I really love what they've done with the interior. Light, bright interior. Those whitewashed cabinets, they look very nice. You got the sink here. Stainless, round, rather large for comparison. You know, there's my hand right in there for depth. Nice residential sink, as you can see. It was winterized already. This is one of my customers that I had sold. Coming to pick it up here next week. Got your big old microwave. Plenty of storage underneath. You got 3 of these drawers. And right here you do have your central vac system, which is always nice. And let's see that. Intervac, wow, I will make your trips more memorable. I do not know how it does that, but it does do this. So that's always nice. Little cooktop, 2-stove burner. Dicor Tough Flex roofing with a 15-year warranty. It is the Mr. Clean of roofs. It is a good product to have. It actually is. Plenty of storage up there for all of your, your dishes or maybe some cereal, something like that. You have a nice full-size pantry here, which what I really like is how they made these, shelves. So you can either put some clothes on there, stack it up there, all your linens, your towels, all that stuff. Or you can take these all out, make it some hanging, food pantry, whatever you want to do here. Now there is your couch. That is a jackknife, so you can easily just lift that up and drop it, make a nice big sleeping area. Got your storage all the way across here, as you can see. Pretty good depth. Plenty of little places to put some stuff in this camper. Got your bathroom right here and a total stud in the mirror. What's up, pretty lady? Decent sized shower. Nice little skylight and a pocket door. Here is your And actually, I forgot to turn on the light here, but I think that looks pretty darn spiffy. You open her on up, a little place for some hanging clothes or, whatever you want to put in there. And what I do like on this camper is you got those little tiny shelves up on the top so you can put, any type of, your book for the night or anything like that, CPAP machine. USB outlets and your typical GFCIs. TV up here. Storage underneath, which is some pretty darn good size for how big this camper is. But again, this R-Pod is coming in at just under $18,000 and 3,700 pounds dry. I think it's actually 3,644 dry. But for a couples coach, if you're looking for small, compact, just hit the road and roll, it does not get much better than this. It's well built, it's simple, but you know, it's got really everything that you need in a quality build. Nice large awning for when you're hanging out and some beautiful scenery. You got your LED lights up there. I just think it looks real nice. Head around the back here. And again, if you've made it this far, please make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Right there, you are prepped up for an observation camera by Furrion. If you get that here, that'll run you $550 installed. A nice little ladder. And you got your slide out. And if you would like, for about $700, you can put a slide topper on there, stop any debris from getting on there. Now, with your purchase, it is going to come with 2 batteries, propane, power cord. We do have a starter kit for $100, and that includes a freshwater hose, sewer hose, level locks, wheel chocks, water pressure regulator, and an AC adapter. So all things are really handy. But there you go. You got a good look on the camper. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.